Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tania. I hope you're all fine and doing well. Today I'm gonna show you how I draw face. By the way, I have done so many tutorials about it, like how I draw face or how to draw a face, but the problem is I have never explained it. So today I'm gonna explain you every single thing that I use for making a portrait. By the way, if you search it on YouTube, you will find a lot of tutorials about it, which is totally fine. But if you are here to learn it, then I will show you how I draw it. By the way, I feel that you will be able to do or um, catch the idea that how to draw it, how to draw a face, how to make a portrait. By the way, so let's start, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. So at first, grab a pencil, of course. Here I'm gonna use two pencils, like 2B and 8B. These are both graphite pencils. These are not like charcoal or something like that. These are normal pencils. And here I'm gonna use 2B pencil for the first round, like for the first layer. And for the deeper shade, I'm gonna use this 8B. You can use 6B, 10B, and kind of pencils. And so let's start. And yeah, so at first what I do is I draw a oval shape, just like this. I draw a oval shape like this. If I know you are not able to see it because my camera and lighting system is not that good, but I have drawn a oval shape like this. And now I'm gonna just divide this from the center like this. You need to divide your face, like where to put the nose. You have to see it, like your nose always in the middle of your face, of course. So that's why I have put the middle line, and it will help me to uh, measure everything. That's why I will put the nose and the also the gap between the eyes, nose, and I will able to see that these are all in the perfect line or not. So if you are a totally beginner, you'll feel trouble to draw a straight line which is totally perfect. But please practice it and you will be able to get it, so don't worry. So at first I have done the oval shape, then I have done the middle, and I divided this. I did draw a middle section, a middle line. I divided it into a two part. Then here is come the main part. You have to put two lines, one for eyebrow lines and one for chin lines, like this. And now the gap you have to divide into two, like you have to draw another line in the middle section like this. If you are unable to find out the middle, then you can just measure it like this, that is okay or not. It's two, then we have two, then you can measure it like this, that two gaps are equal or not, like this. So I have done the divided it into two part. This part is for eye and eyebrows, this part for lips, and that middle line is for nose. By the way, now I'm gonna draw the eye. For the eye, you have to draw, like every person has different eyes, different eye shapes, like monolid, double eyelids, almond eyes, oval shaped eyes, so many eye types. So you have to depend on your reference pick what eye shape they have. And so for the eyes, here I just need to, because I'm just showing you, I'm just giving two rounds like this, and in between both eye gaps you have to put one eye like this. Like this is the eye that I've drawn. Now here is another eye and here is another eye, so it will be three eyes. But you don't need to draw the middle eye because it's the gap of between the two eyes. And there is one eye, here is one eye. It's done. We are done with eyebrows. This is the line that we have drawn. It will be eyebrow line. This is eyes. So draw the nose, and for the we are coming into the mouth lip part. So in case of the lip, this is the our lip section. We are gonna divide it into the middle section. From the middle section again, this is the middle part. Now this is the lips. Yeah, here's the lips. Now it's done. Here I draw the face. I take the measurement for a face, and in this way I draw every face, every portrait. At least from last from December I'm using this method. Before that I didn't use any method. I was only on the observing things and it didn't work well, so I found this method, and this is an easy method, and I hope you'll be able to do it. So now I'm gonna just add the details. By the way, I used oval shape face, but not every person have oval shape face, so it depends on your reference how the face shape you are gonna draw. So you don't need to have perfect like oval shape, and don't worry about anything. If you're a beginner, just go for it, don't worry. So I'm gonna just add some details, then I'll be finished, like I'll be done with my portrait drawing. So let's start. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.